Hi Pisces, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Let us see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Pisces. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let us see kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you, Pisces. Pisces. Merong energy ng infatuation, denial, obsession, attraction. Okay. Meron bang may gusto sa inyo, Pisces, or you are or ikaw yung may gusto sa ibang tao, okay? And you may be in denial. Someone is obsessed with you, attracted sa'yo, okay? Reconciliation, harmony, resolving issues, getting back together. Merong reconciliation na nangyayari for some of you. Okay. Reconciling differences with your person. Now the situation or the relationship is getting better. Merong energy ng toxic love, drama, addictions, love-hate relationship, okay? Merong drama na nangyayari sa inyong romantic situation with your person, okay? Someone is obsessed, someone is addicted to you. Away bate, okay? Away bate, away bate. Okay? Pero hindi kayo pwedeng magkahiwalay. Para ang hirap humiwalay sa person mo, okay? Bumabalik pa rin kayo sa kanya, Pisces, okay? And vice versa. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot. Pisces, please. Messages. Messages from Pisces. Oh, gusto mo mabas ng sun. Okay, you may be dealing with a fire sign, to be specific, a Leo, okay? Your person is happy with you. Ikaw ang kanyang buhay, masaya siya pag nandyan ka. Ikaw nagbibigay liwanag sa kanyang buhay, Pisces. You are everything to them. He or she wants to win you, Pisces, okay? Gusto niya maging victorious siya sa'yo. He or she is proud of you, Pisces. Kung meron kayong mga pinagdadaanan, okay, difficulties, mga pag-aaway, gusto niya ma-overcome yun, okay? Gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa inyo. Ayaw niya na nag-aaway kayong dalawa, Pisces. You are everything to him or her. Okay. And also, he or she feels that you are getting your wish. Okay? Parang namamayagpag ka sa inyong ginagawa. That's how he or she feels about you. Masaya ka sa inyong ginagawa, Pisces. You feel victorious. You have achieved something. You are an achiever. A strong person. Okay? Independent. Yeah. Kung meron kayong mga pinag-aawayan, okay? arguments and all. Gusto niya makipagbati sa inyo. Gusto niya makipag-reconcile. Gusto niya na ma-overcome na ninyong dalawa kung ano man yung hindi ninyo pagkakaintindihan. In silence, he or she is broken, okay? He or she is damaged, okay, emotionally, pero hindi niya sinasabi sa inyo, Pisces. Okay. Siguro may mga experiences itong person ninyo, may mga nangyayari sa kanya na hindi ninyo alam. He or she is hurt and is now recovering, okay? Siguro merong hindi pagkakaintindihan sa inyong dalawa before or recently, okay, or previously. Kaya ngayon nagpapahinga siya emotionally, okay? He wants to be healed. He or she wants to be healed. Nagre-recover siya. Pisces, ang dami mong iniisip. Para ang daming gumugulo sa inyo emotionally. And you are thinking different, okay? Parang ang daming bumabagabag sa inyo, sa inyong isipan. Nag-iisip kayo ng hindi maganda, ng negativities. And you want to stay out from this. You want to get out from this situation. Yeah. You need some answers, okay? You need a communication from someone, okay? You are thinking about this pentacle. You want to grow in your career, sa trabaho ninyo. You're thinking about this, okay? You want your person also to communicate with you kung ano ang kanyang nararamdaman, okay? Ito yung problema ninyo sa kanya. You want him or her to support you kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo, Pisces, okay? This is related to work. You are overthinking about your work situation, okay? You want to grow. Nag-iisip ka kung paano mo ma-overcome yung mga challenges mo sa work. There is a potential in you sa trabaho mo. Okay? You are in the stage na nagle-learn ka pa and you are in a challenging situation right now in your work. That's why you are overthinking, okay? You have to open up emotionally, okay? You need to be understanding, or someone needs to understand you in your situation, Pisces, okay? Merong enlightenment, okay, na mangyayari sa inyo kung merong understanding. Kailangan maging transparent sa isa't isa. Okay? Kailangan mag-blossom ulit ang inyong relationship, okay? And go to the next level. Merong pagkakaintindihan, ito pala yung dapat na mangyari. Okay? Dapat pala ganito. I need to sacrifice some things in my life to improve my relationship, okay, with my person. Okay. Someone needs to surrender his or her ego for the sake na mag-continue yung magandang samahan ng inyong relasyon, family, okay? Someone needs to surrender and open up. Needs to be transparent, okay? You and your person is a best match. You need to understand your person because he or she is going through something. That's why he or she is healing. Okay? Nagre-recover siya. May mga disappointments siya na hindi niya sinasabi, okay, na siya lang ang nakakaramdam nito. Parang hindi niya to na-express sa inyo directly, Pisces. Because you are thinking a lot, okay, parang ang daming nangyayari din sa inyo. Madami kang inaalala or may mga fears ka, may mga negativities in your mind. You need to let go of this, Pisces. It depends on you. Okay? Kailangan mo ikalma ang inyong isip, ang inyong nararamdaman. Kailangan ng balance of emotions, Pisces, okay? If this is related to work, kung related to sa work, just enjoy the process, okay? Learn from the process, okay? And you will be able to overcome challenges. Huwag masyado mag-alala or mag-isip ng negative. Pisces, kung anong man nangyayari sa paligid ninyo, ignore them. Okay? Huwag magpadala-dala sa negative thinking nyo or negative emotions. Okay? Otherwise, hindi rin makaka-recover ang inyong person. And you love this person very much. Kailangan niya rin ng attention mo, Pisces. Okay? Kailangan mo iparamdam sa kanya ang pagmamahal mo. Okay? The light is so bright in you, Pisces. You are so busy and caught up kung ano man yung nangyayari sa inyo ngayon, career-wise, or sa trabaho ninyo, or emotionally. You feel you have achieved something, okay? But at the same time, meron ding gumugulo sa isip ninyo about work. Your person feels na parang you are very happy, okay? You have achieved something na, you know, you're a winner in the situation. But your person is parang nagsasuffer emotionally, okay? Something is wrong with him or her emotionally. Pero hindi niya sinasabi sa inyo. So, kailangan ng balance, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for you, Pisces. Maybe your person is missing you a lot. Or maybe it's the other way around, okay? Just comment in the comment section if the situation is baliktad or it's the other way around, okay? But these are the energies kung anong nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Someone is missing you, someone is hurting, nagre-recover, okay? Someone is missing you. Kailangan ng inyong pagmamahal and attention and time. Okay, someone needs to sacrifice para lang move forward. Maging successful ang inyong relationship, okay? Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Okay? That's one advice or message for you, Pisces. Reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. Reflection. Ooh. Merong lumabas sa dalawa. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. Wait. Don't rush into it. Allow nature to take its course. Okay? So, be patient also. Huwag padalos-dalos din sa inyong mga ginagawa or decision because of this. Alright? So, that is the message for you, Pisces. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!